Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercenter, and we're taking a look at the 2016 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim and powered by a 2.7-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing with some excellent fuel efficiency as well, and coming with a nice aftermarket Ford grille up there. Does also look to have a pretty sizable lift, possibly 6 inches, though I'm not 100% on that, and sitting on some KO rims. Running boards down below, vent shades on the windows, and a soft top tonneau cover on the back to keep your belongings covered and protected from the elements. And freshly detailed, so it's looking nice and clean, but let's take a look inside. So first looking at the back seat, where you have very spacious seating for 3 that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. You do also have fitted rubber floor mats throughout the vehicle. And in the middle you have 2 cup holders, a 110 volt and 12 volt power outlet. And this truck does also have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a partially power adjustable driver's seat. And now sitting in the truck with it running, you can see it's sitting at 69,426 kilometers. Moving down to the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls. And on the left side you have your cruise controls, and then your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through things such as your distance to empty, transmission temperature, tire pressures, digital speedometer, engine info, my key status. And you also go into your trip and fuel, so your trip 1 and 2 stats, and then your fuel economy, compass, your towing status and information, your off-road status, and settings for features around your vehicle and your screen setup in general. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, CD, and Bluetooth. So you do have some options there for whatever you want to listen to, however you want to listen to it. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels, whatever apps you may have installed, and then settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch views, so you can hopefully have an easier time hooking up a trailer or something of the sort. Then above your screen you have your traction control shut off, hazards, and your auto start stop, so when your vehicle is sitting idle the engine will shut off to cut down on emissions and save you some fuel. But then moving down below your screen, you have your physical media controls and your climate controls here, pretty simple to use. To the left of that you have your 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential, with your Pro Trailer backup assist underneath that, and your trailer brake controller at the very bottom. On the right you have a 12 volt and 110 volt power outlet. And then down here you have this compartment which opens to reveal 2 USBs and another 12 volt power outlet, so you can plug something into power or charge from there. And then you have your main shifter here with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears, and at the bottom of the shifter you have your tow haul and sport mode buttons, as you can see being activated there. You have a cubby, 2 cup holders, and your lockable center compartment slash armrest here, which does have a removable tray, and inside you have a ton of space, including another 12 volt power outlet, so you can plug something into power or charge from there. But I believe that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.